Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to set a default text color in WordPress so all your paragraphs have a consistent look across your site. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to speed up your design process, this guide will make it simple in just a few steps. Let's dive in. OG into WordPress first. Open WordPress in your browser and log in. You can use your standard login credentials, but if you want a faster method, click Continue with Google and select your account. Once you're in, you'll be on your WordPress dashboard ready to make changes. Access the site editor. Next, head over to the quick links section on your dashboard and click Edit Site. This opens the site editor, which is where you can customize your site's appearance and functionality. Think of it as your control center for design tweaks. In the site editor, look for the styles icon in the top right corner and click it. Here, you'll find visual customization options for your site. Navigate to the blocks section. This lets you manage styles for individual components like paragraphs, headings, and buttons. Now, click on the paragraph block. This is important because the paragraph block controls the standard text across your entire site. By changing settings here, any new paragraph you create will automatically use your chosen default styles. Under the Elements section, click Text, and you'll see the color options. You can either pick a color with the color picker or type in a specific hex code if you have a brand color in mind. Once you select your color, WordPress will automatically apply it to all future paragraphs on your site. Finally, check a few pages or posts to confirm the new default color is applied. You'll notice all new paragraphs now follow this style, making your site look clean, professional, and consistent without manually adjusting each block. And that's it. You now know how to set a default text color in WordPress in just a few clicks. It's a small change that makes a huge difference in site consistency and design. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.